to my channel, and today we're gonna make galaxy climb. Now this is what comes in the box. Some glue, pop on sticks, spoon, griddle, white stuff, and a hub. And who's the instructions? I filled this up to probably 26, but it's supposed to be at 25, but it's just as I have it. So now you're gonna need some spoonful of this. Is this a spoonful?
Mm-hmm.
Now it's put into here, and it's right now. Do it. Now let's stir it up. Not too fast. So we set this one aside, then we fill this one as 25, then now we're gonna put some glue in it. So now, this, the faster you do it, the more, the higher the water goes. I'm gonna add this one, oh yes, now we're gonna add this one, and like this one. Wow. Oh, wow. Now, wow. Wow. Look at this. What the?
Okay, let's add some glitter.
Oh my god. Half of it. And, oh my god. This is getting fun. Still. Dance. So after a lot of doing, this is the end. So, oh my god, it was so much. Oh my god, it's so fun and so much for watching. Oh my god, it's so fun.